Jingiarap jong ka kenhun menteri kala Mynjur ban ai Jingiarap syaki nyau Tylli ki ad hoc colleges hakaba nyau pusan na kasispa kan wan na ka Sorkar jela but ar pusan na kasispa kan wan na ki managing committee. Kini ki college ki day ki bempat shimlayok pediang ke 5th pay commission. Habe keren bat kilat patai kubor menteri rang bak ke jelau konrad sang mau laong baka 5th pay commission ka long ka badai hok banyo na ka benta jongki but on pelat ru ka area. Ka kenhun menteri kala Mynjur ru ka ordinance na kabenta ke Captain Williamson Sangma Technical University hakaba onjer ke tengno da ke Captain Williamson Sangma State University namar ke jela kampat don la ka jong ka skul ba hapo ke jela.
So the government has decided that after the necessary homework was done, that the 5th pay commission is applicable to them, and hence there is an arrear amount which needs to be cleared. So that amount will be cleared, and the cabinet has decided that today the impact of that is about 11 crores for the last 4.5 years. So this is a long pending issue, and it has finally been cleared today. The approval of the ordinance where the Captain Williamson Sangma Technical University will be changed, the name will be changed to Captain Williamson Sangma State University.